Hey there, YouTube. This is Greg ME 2005, and today we're going to kick off the drill series by Harbor Freights, guys. First thing in the series, we're going to test out the Central Machinery 5-speed, bench drill press. This is a portable bench drill press. And it just bolts right here, and you guys can unbolt that and pick that up, move that all around at different locations. It's not anything that stands on the floor or anything like that. I just wanted something small for the shop for drilling wood and metal and fine detail stuff. But I thought this was pretty cool. It's kind of cool. You can adjust the speeds on here. It goes anywhere from 760 RPMs all the way up to 3,070 RPM. So this bad boy can definitely kick. The amperage on this puppy is only 2.4 amps. It's not really big. It's only a 5-speed. The table tilt, it's got a 45 left and right table tilt. The chuck is 1/16 to 1/2, and the spindle is only a 2 spoke. So it's not bad for what it is. I've got a couple demonstrations. I'm going to use a normal drill bit to drill through a 2x4, and then we're going to do one of these spade ones, 1 inch, so you guys can kind of see the power. I'm running at 1600 RPMs. I think is decent for this. All right, guys, let's get to it. I got my glasses on, and I got my earplugs in. There we go, guys. I just didn't have the table up high enough, but she drills through like butter. By the way, guys, I am using this titanium drill set piece I got for $10 at Harbor Freights with the coupon. I don't know if they're in a black package like this anymore, like a metal case. They used to be in a red case, they went to black, and I think they're in a plastic case now. But this is a really nice set for 10 bucks. They're originally $29.99. So we're going to get the other one going here, guys. By the way, it's got old style chuck key here. Nothing wrong with that. It works. It's been around for years. Drill bit's a little on the hot side, obviously. All right, let's get this bad boy up in here. Get this tightened down. Let's test it out. All right, that's tight. I think we're just going to end up just drilling it out like that. That should be good enough. Let's adjust this table. That should be good enough. All right, guys. Get this bad boy started. I'm going to lower this table just by a little bit. Alright, guys, let's do it. She drilled through like butter, but she had a little tough time coming up from that hole. Probably real hot, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you a little review on that particular drill. It's not bad. I bought this last year, 2013, summer of 2013, and I've had pretty good luck with it so far. I'm sure you guys will see this in future videos, drilling metal, drilling wood. Pay attention and to the next drill series I got here. The next one will be the Drill Master corded drill, and then after that we'll do the Drill Master electric hand drill / combination flashlight, and I do testing on those two guys. So all right, guys, this is Greg ME 2005 signing off, guys.